Okay, so the first step in this look is I took the color Brick from the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette from Kylie Cosmetics, and on a big fluffy brush I just packed this all in the outer corner of my eye. And then taking the shade Beach from that same palette on just a slightly fluffier brush, I just took that color and blended it all around the edges of that brown shade. So while the brown kind of stays in the outer portion of my eye, the oranger toned eyeshadow will just help to blend out into the rest of my eyelid. And then just taking the same beauty blender that I had used to apply my foundation, I just went along the underside of my eyeshadow just to clean up those edges slightly with the kind of residual foundation that was on that beauty blender. And then taking the color Naked from that same palette on a smaller eyeshadow brush, I just applied this in the inner corners of my eye as well as on my brow bone. And this helps to tie the colors together as well as to brighten up the inner corner of my eye. And then just taking a basic black kohl liner, I went along and tight lined my eyes and ran this along my waterline as well. And then taking my BH Cosmetics Wild and Alluring palette, I used the turquoise shade on a flatter eyeshadow brush so I had a little bit more control, and I just packed this all underneath my eye. And I just kept going back in and packing on that color until I was satisfied with how bright it was. And as always, I will list the products that I use down below, but taking a felt tip liner, I just went along and lined my entire eye, and given that there was such a light color being used in my under eye, I did feel that a winged eye was appropriate for this look. Taking my favorite lashes recently, the Kiss Cosmetic lashes in the style Flirt, I just went ahead and applied those. Now when first going in to do my lips, I took a Kylie Cosmetics Dirty Peach liner and lined my lips entirely with this. But then I decided that color wasn't dark enough and took Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K liner and lined my lips with this. And because it was just my luck, that liner broke and I ended up needing to use a whole third separate lip liner. So I will list all of these separate lip liners down below. And the lipstick I used on top was from Lorac Cosmetics in the color Sphynx. And don't judge my hair, but I was attempting to use sleep-in hair curlers like hot rollers, and obviously that did not work out so well. To help blend in the falsies with my real lashes, I did use my number 7 volume mascara, and I just applied this on my top and bottom eyelashes. And anytime I do have a really light under eye, I definitely pack on the mascara to make sure that they are not hidden in with the light color. And then I just took my Benefit Gimme Brow Gel, and I just ran this all through my brows to help give a little extra definition for my brows as well. And then, as always, to make sure that my makeup stays in place all day, I used my all-nighter setting spray from Decay. And then this is the final look. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like this video, and check out my Instagram for more makeup looks. Thank you so much.